So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to mirror a video here on VN video editor. So if I were to play my video right here, it looks normal, nothing crazy. Now if you want to change this, select the clip, go to this bottom bar, and you can go to head here to where it says mirror. And when you press mirror like this, it actually does reflect it the other direction. So if I were to go ahead and maybe split this clip right here, I'll show you an example. So split the clip here, and then I want to mirror this part on the second part like this so that it's reversed. So if I were to go ahead and play this, 5, 4, 3, it's then going to switch where it's mirrored, 2, 1. For the last little bit here, you can get creative, do what you got to do, and basically just kind of play around with it that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can mirror a video here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching. I hope this helps.